$2026 is here. 2026. That's right. So, you know what that means. It's time to be an absolute idiot and tear down. So, let's see. What car should I get? Should I drive that around? I got my first stupid idea. Let's make the dump truck a wheelie truck. First, I want all of this also. Blowtorch. Good thing I'm a car mechanic. Let me just... Boom. Oh, come on. That's not what I wanted. Okay, there we go. That looks promising, right? Now, let's just make a giant metal sheet right here. Good enough. But it's movable. Hold up. Nice. Okay, this isn't gonna work. Maybe... Let's make this JDM, actually. That would look sick. Alright, you're going right here. This is where I'm building you. Alright, first of all, this thing doesn't look a tiny bit stanced. I mean, come on. I'm making a custom bumper here. Alright, ripped off the entire bumper. Now, let's just get some... dark metal. Boom. Let's do that. Alright, so now let's delete this. Oh yeah, looking good. This already looks kind of like a body kit. Now I'm gonna do this.
Please don't act like we were tight. You were gone when I lost my fight. When the dog felt like my only friend. You vanished long before the end. Told me to grow, so I grew tall. Told me to rise, so I broke the wall. Please don't act like we were close. No, I won't copy, cut, and post. You weren't there when I needed you the most. Told me to improve, so I did the most. I built the bridge while you burned the wood. Made gold from dust like I knew I could. Your empty words, they echo still. But I climbed higher, I bent my will. Told me to change, so I turned the page. Told me to fight, so I left the cage. Please don't act like we were close. No, I won't copy, cut, and post. You weren't there when I needed you the most. Told me to improve, so I did the most. Look, it's rough having to grow up, I get it. But when I try to explain my emotions, you just wanted to quit it. I get it, but don't think that I'll forget it. I want myself to die as well. Whisper, see you and I are pretty much the same guy, yeah. I stared down the mirror till it blinked first. Every scar on my soul turned into a verse. Every curse that you left, I rehearsed. Now I speak in flames, watch your name disperse. Had to lose my peace just to find my peace. Cut ties, new highs, let the static cease. I was drowning slow in my self-made sea. Now I breathe deep where the pain used to be. Please don't act like we were close. You just watched while I became a ghost. Now I'm everything you said I'd never be. Built from the silence you left in me. Please don't act like we were tight. You're the reason I learned to fight. You weren't there when I needed you the most. So I became the one I needed most. Yeah, we ain't the same. You and I, you ran from your demons. I made mine fly.
Nice. I think it's safe to say that this car is JDM. No! Frick. I can fix this. I can't fix this. No. Okay, let's take it to the workshop to get it fixed. Oh. This is unfixable! Okay, well, let's do the next stupid thing. Maybe... Wait. Bikes, ramps, and ragdolls? Ramps. Ant ramp? Heck is this? What am I gonna jump it with? Is this metal? Nope. Big boy bike? Okay. BM bikes with ragdoll? Whoa. Shift wheelie. Whoa. Oh. Oh, that's sick. I'm doing a wheelie. Oh. Whee. Oh, dripped. I'm doing it. Throwing it sideways here. Woo. Whoa, 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 whoa. This kid can jump. Oh. There. Ow. I need a ramp. Jump large. Whee! Oh. Come on, you're supposed to land in the pool. Okay, now you go into the pool. Ooh. Boom. This is so unrealistic. Hold up. I want to make a ramp right here. Oh, heck no. Oh, heck no. Oh, heck yes. Okay. Get out of the way. Whee! Ow. Speak to me! Speak to me! Oh yeah. Oh. Oh, that's not how I wanted to go. Oh. Oh, dang, that was sick. Oh, frig. Oh, no. How strong are you? Oh. Whee! Holy crap. No, wait, come back, come back. Oh, I am dead. Oh. Ha. Okay. Alright, let's do a renovation. Alright, you know what? We're gonna make a door so that cars can come in. No, that's not what I wanted. Can I undo? Frick. Okay. Oh well. Ugh. You guys probably recognize this place. Remember there's a gaming setup? Up right here that I made. I spent so long making that, and then it just straight up destroyed. It sucked. Nope, I didn't want the light down either. Okay, whatever. I don't want the bed broken either. Okay. Perfect. Okay. What else is here? Trash can? Let's destroy this house. Hold up. Hey. What would happen if I did this? Oh. Yay! 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 Yeah! Oh, wait, can I just... I can just hit him with the hammer. What about with the gun? Can I just shoot him? So is that just dirt now? Hold on, I want to make my signature. Okay, it's easier with this. Oh yeah. Couch? Who let the dog in? Alright. Stupid idiot. Walk green now? Sure can. What's this? Oh, it's just burning. Hold on, I want to see if I can put enough rocket boosters on this to move it. Alright, I'll be back. I think this is enough to move it. Let's see. Oh! Oh my gosh! Oh, you can see the shadow of it moving. Oh my gosh. Oh gosh, it's so laggy. Oh crap. There's so much smoke. Oh no. Oh no. The heck? Okay, you know what? Holy crap. Okay, yep, that's gone. How's that house doing? Doing good. Usually I would end it at here, but I mean, come on, it's 2026. I gotta do just a little bit more, right? Yay! So much fun. Wonder how fast I can make this little hatchback go. Actually, you know what? How much rocket boosters does it take to move this? I think it's safe to say it moved it. Barely. Alright, there we go. And it's right back in place. Alright. That's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and see you in the next one.
Switched up and now I'm on the move. Talk about my vision and how I found the clues. Thought it destroyed me, but it was just